While waiting for our flight, nakakita ko na actually yung ating gate, that's 141. While waiting for our boarding time, it's 2:45 kasi yung flight natin would be 3:25. Let's go ahead and eat muna sa food court. Yan. So those are the choices. May ramen, may mga luxury shops dito sa loob na after immigration ng Haneda Airport. Although ito, yung una nilang airport, like I think matanda na tong airport na to, it looks new compared to Naiya. It's nice. And it houses different luxury shops. So, if you're like that person na shopaholic, maraming choices. I'll go ahead and find food first, and then eat, and then ikikwento ko sa inyo paano tayo makakalabas ng China Airport or ng Beijing Airport visa-free. Okay? I just bought this udon, guys. It's like ramen, but it's udon. This will be our lunch for now. And then, kain muna.
Passenger Katayama Morera, Passenger Yasumi Harumi Morera, Passenger Santos Morera. Please proceed to gate to confirm for immediately.
Surprise.
I guess some of you might ask kung how will I go out of Beijing Airport if I do not have any visa or share? Sure. Okay.
May I have your attention, please? This is the China Airlines passenger Beijing. Mr. Young Eric.
Someone asked for an extra chair. Okay, so going back,
Jason.
maybe some of you might ask how will I go out outside of Beijing Airport if I do not have any visa yet in China, or maybe you might ask, do I already have a visa? Well, to tell you honestly, I don't have any visa yet for China, but I read some articles online na if you're one of those country na may connecting flight sa cited airport dun sa article na yon, like for example, mine is Beijing, it's in PEK. If you have connecting flights going to your third or actual destination, like on my case, I'm from Haneda Airport, then going to Kuala Lumpur, my connecting flight would be PEK, that's Beijing International Airport. If you have those ticket, you can, and your layover time is 8 hours or more than 8 hours but less than 24 hours, you can get a visa-free 24-hour or 24-hour visa-free. So you can go out of the airport and explore the city. So ayun yung itatry natin. Hopefully, hindi tayo ma-deny. Although complete naman ako ng documents, I already have my check-in, my boarding pass for my connecting flights going to Kuala Lumpur. And also, I already booked my hotel and SIM para if ever the immigration asks, I already have proof, may papakita tayo. Later, I'll show you the airport once makaland tayo sa Beijing, and then, ano pa ba? If na upload tong video na to, ibig sabihin, we've succeeded, nakalabas tayo ng Beijing International Airport. But if not, forget it. Okay, I'll just eat, okay? Alright guys, we already here on our boarding gate. It's gate number 141. So ulitin ko lang, no, as I've said earlier, I don't have any visa yet going to China, but as I've read on some article, if you do have connecting flights from one of the airports in China, yung accredited airports, like on my case Beijing, going to your real destination, which is mine, Kuala Lumpur, you can go out as long as your layover is more than 8 hours but less than 24 hours. The visa is called 24-hour transit visa. So once you've arrived in Beijing, in China, you can apply for a 24-hour transit visa to roam around and visit the country. Ayun yung gagawin natin. So, I'm just right here on the gate. Medyo maaga tayo ng 1 hour. Wala pa actually mga tao. 3 pa lang kami dito. And then, ang layo nitong gate na to, 141 guys. Tandaan nyo, pag nasa Haneda Airport kayo and your gate is 141 or 140, it's on the very corner of the airport. Beside the 140 gate, that's Philippine Airlines going to the Philippines. And I'll show you here. This is the gate. And this is our gate 141 going to Beijing capital, CA134. That is our flight. 1 hour lang naman yung early ko. But halos wala pang tao. 3 pa lang kami dito. So I'm just drinking my coffee while waiting for the boarding time. Okay na rin na maaga tayo, no? Kasi last time, kwento ko lang. Kasi last time, Narita Airport yung aking departure going from here sa Tokyo. And I arrived here like 20 minutes before my actual flight. Good thing back then, like it was September of 2023. I don't have any luggage. I don't have any check-in baggage. So the ground staff is kind enough to like accept me even though I'm late. Pero pinagalitan lang ako. So ayoko na yung mangyari ulit. So later I'll show you guys once we've arrived sa Beijing capital. I'll just enjoy my coffee. Of course guys, before we leave Japan, I'd like to show you how the toilet looks like here in Japan because it's to the next level. Automatic actually guys. So right now, as I've said, we are in Haneda International Airport and hindi naman naiiba yung toilet nitong airport sa mga toilets dito sa Japan, even sa malls or sa bahay. This is how the toilets look like. May ilaw siya and then may power siya. Bakit? Kasi ito, these are the controls ng toilet guys. So you have the traditional tissues here and you have the flush button. Hindi siya naka-attach dito. It's on the side and you have buttons here. So if you're done with your thing, you can wash your butt. So you have the option if it's front or rear. You can control the pressure of the water, and once you're done cleaning, you can have dryer. For the dryer, you have the position, it's upward or downward. Once you're done with all that, you can push stop para matapos na siya. And you have your, this one. I think this is sanitizer. So you can use it after, before and after. See how automatic? And meron din silang sensor. This is the sensor. If you wanted to flush. Ganun siya. Boarding is now starting guys. So, nakapila na ako and then we're ready to board. Let's go to China. Here.
Air China Flight 134 departing.
Thank you. We're done. Sasakay na tayo sa airplane. That's our plane guys. I think maliit lang kasi konti lang yung nakikita kong passenger for this flight. So, actually, binigyan ako ng, kanina sa check-in, binigyan ako ng option if I wanted, what do you call this? If I wanted the window seat or aisle. But at my age and with the flights I've been, I opted the aisle kasi palaihi ako guys. So wala na akong pakialam sa makikita ko sa labas. Basta madali sa akin umihi. So this is, yan, papasok na yun sa plane. That's Air China. Sabi ko sa inyo, on my side, that's Philippine Airlines. Going to the Philippines, diba? So, let's go inside the plane. Wala ba akong nakalimutan? Wala naman. I hope so. Sana huwag na i-check yung passport. My God. My seat is... I forgot my seat. So, this is the plane. 30C.
4个小时，时间挺长。
The first part is business class, guys. This is business class. Soon, sasakay tayo dyan. For now, economy muna tayo. Our seat is 30C.
对，回去要飞4个小时呢，真是。
30C.
对，来回不到3个小时。
对，
来不到3个小时40分。
Medyo mahaba din siya, in fairness.
对吧？
请调至座椅靠背，收起小桌板、脚踏板，打开遮光板。
Ito yung food natin, guys. Actually, nung binu ko to, ito yung pinili ko kasi mura. Pero hindi ko alam na ganito kaganda yung service ng Air China. Meron silang free drinks and may meals na rin nakasama yung flight mo. Imagine. Ang mura na nito They have 3 options ng pagkain and teriyaki yung pinili. This is the teriyaki. Oh my god, it's fish pala. We have yogurt and then may konting gulay doon. And then drinks. Maraming option ng drinks. So let's eat. So pinili ko sa menu, guys, is the teriyaki fish. Tapos may pancit doon and then some pastry and then yogurt. Parang lahat ng kailangan kasama na dun sa binayaran ko sa ticket. Done with my dinner, guys. I'm now having the dessert. I think most to. You know what, guys? Yung drinks nila overflowing. So you can request anytime you want. And then the selection is very vast. Ang daming selection. May tomato juice, orange juice, may wine, may beers, may coffee. Just say what you want. Just request. And once again, it's already included on the ticket that you already paid for. Just imagine the food are good. Actually, you have the selection, you have options, but it kompleto na siya. Good thing na try ko to. May yogurt pa siya later. Let's eat that later. If you're wondering gaano kalaki yung aisle, ganito siya. And then yung ano ba yan? Yung food na part, so far maluwag na.
Thank you very much.
Orange cheese. We've made it, guys. We just landed to Beijing International Capital Airport. I'm now going to the lane of temporary entry permit application to try my luck if mabibigyan ako ng 24-hour visa. Let's go. It's a long walk. We made it, guys, sa Beijing Capital Airport. And we are going to temporary entry permit application. I hope makakuha tayo ng permit for a visa para makalabas tayo ng airport. And sayang naman yung binukong hotel, diba? Wait, I'll just go to the toilet. So I fill out the application there. And then ipapakita siya doon sa likod ko. And then ito yung card. Yan, arrival card for temporary entry foreigners. And then may nilagay siyang sticker doon sa passport ko. Let's go to the immigration first. Oh my god, saan makalabas tayo? Let's see. Saan tayo? This is exit. Let's go to the exit. We've made it, guys. We were able to go out and approve tayo ng 24-hour transit visa. And now, nasa exit na ako. Medyo nagugulan ako kasi right after immigration, I was instructed to go out. And pagbaba ko dito, eto siya. Exit, baggage claim, transfers, please take the train. So I think from here, I need to take the train to exit. I'll just wait for the train. Yes. I'm now inside the train, guys, to exit para makalabas tayo ng airport. And this is how the train looks like. Ito yung train. Ayan. Maliit lang siya na train. And then, actually, konti lang yung tao na gumagamit ito. Or konti lang din yung lumapag sa airport na to. I'm not sure kung 24-hour tong airport na to. Kasi ang konti lang ng tao. One application, guys, that you'll be needing once you're already here in China is the Didi app. Kasi ayun yung kanilang Uber at Grab dito. I think may kiosk dito for Didi. This one. I'll go ahead and try to book here. Unfortunately, no one is assisting, so I'll try to book using my phone. I've already downloaded one. I've already found a driver, guys. Ito yung itsura ng Didi app. Ayan siya, and then it costs 17 Chinese yuan. So we'll just wait for the driver. We finally made it, guys. We are already in China. Nakapag-check-in ako. Nag-check-in ako or nag-book ako ng hotel sa Green Tree Inn Express. Ito yung second branch near the airport. And look at my room. It's pretty spacious, guys. This is the bed. And may dalawang table doon. Then meron kang side table na dalawa. You have your vanity mirror here. My TV. And my big mirror. The toilet is this. Malinis naman yung toilet. And that's me. One thing na napansin ko naman, guys, na although nabasa ko na siya sa reviews, medyo amoy, ano siya? Medyo amoy, what do you call this? Amoy sigarilyo. Siguro mahilig magsigarilyo yung mga tao dito. But, one thing is for sure, hindi naman ako maarte sa sigarilyo. Malinis. And then, we have a room to sleep for the night. Then tomorrow, let's explore the city. Oh. I just go outside, guys, of the hotel and ang lamig, grabe. Hindi ako ready, hindi ko nasuot yung aking heat tech. Super lamig, naninigas yung mga kamay ko. Right now, I'm looking for a place kung saan pwede kumain. Ito yung mga, yan. Ayan yung mga pwedeng kainan. And kung nakikita nyo lang, umuusok yung bibig ko ng walang airport. Hindi siya nakikita sa camera. Oh my god, pero ang lamig. Let's look for a place to eat muna. I found this convenience store, guys, near to my hotel, and we just buy some goods, hot stuff actually. It's -1 degree ngayon, kaya pala sobrang lamig. Hindi ko siya kinakaya. And yung hotel ko sobrang lapit na sa airport, like pag maglalakad ka dun sa area, ayan tulad yan. Ayan, may makikita kang airplane. See? Amazing. Wait, let's go back to the hotel kasi nanginginig na ako.